Hi guys, it's Uncle Mike on the Old Porch Dogs channel. Mostly this is for my kids so that they learn how to do brakes and they don't have to do like I did. I spent the last couple of days out here freezing my butt off, trying to figure out how to hold a brake shoe in place while sticking a pin. Well, you go from the back side, you stick a pin through there, and then you got your emergency brake assembly that's on the back side here. And then on the front side you got your brake adjuster, and you got this little cup that has to go in here and line everything up and holds that all in place. Well, you need one hand to hold this thing in place, you need another hand to stick the pin through the side, you need another hand to grab a hold of a pair of pliers and hold on to that spring and shove it on there and twist. I've only got two hands, I don't have the third one. And so I've been sitting there trying to figure out if I can do it with my toes, and I'm freezing my toes off. Let me show you a little bit easier way. It took me 2.5 days to figure this out. It's cold out here. You got your brake adjuster, and you got your spring right here. So you hook your spring in. You hook your brake adjuster. Okay, well, this is going to be easier said than done. Let me see if I can hook, well, let me hook this side in here first. Now you got two brake pads. One, if you'll notice, has a shorter throw on it than the other one. The other one's got a lot longer pad, and that's designed that way because only one pad actually does the braking. The other side, just a little bit. What it's designed to do, though, is you got a pivot pin right up here in the top, and that pin in the top up there is solid into your backing plate. So as you step on the brakes, the top one here comes out, or the front one comes out. It doesn't have very much pad on it, but it's just enough there to drag. And as it drags, it throws that back pad and it pivots on that pin. And so now all that pad is in contact, and that's what's doing your braking. Okay, so let me throw this in here. Okay, you hook your spring, then you take your adjuster. You have to hook these together. Okay, like I said, this is easier said than done, but it is doable. And you, okay, so you have it like so, and you pull it out. Okay, now that you have this thing assembled like that, let's see here, I got it backwards. Okay, it's going to go that way. Pull it apart, slap it in there, and it clamps up against that pin, and it holds itself in place. Now you don't need that third hand. It's holding itself in place. You come in here and you assemble all your stuff. It took me 2.5 days, and I froze my off out here. So just letting you know, this is how to do it. It's a lot easier this way too. I've already got the other side done. Now I'm doing this side. See you guys later.